Not too windy out today. Coming down. Here's Paul stealing corn. I got him red-handed. It's all on tape. Send that to the FBI. Yep. Dad's taking some shots here. Yeah.
Okay, we got the two city folks driving the green cart. Yeah, you could go out in here actually. It's not smooth, but I'm in a tractor.
You know I like my chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. And my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled when love is grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise of a precious child and know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most, not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you